What's going on, YouTube? We're back again for another video. Just wanted to give you a recap of what happened last time. Remember, I was to do a two-part series of 2-day range days on the last videos. Well, the second day ended up getting rained out. The range got flooded out, so I wasn't able to do another range day training day. So instead, I'm bringing to you guys back to Knockout Zone, my resident gym down here in Miami. We're gonna be doing a strength conditioning day. It's gonna be a speed and explosive day. It's gonna be a lot of fucking work. As you can see, I haven't even started yet. I'm already sweating. It's really hot out here in Miami. It's about probably, I don't know, maybe 90s or maybe 91, 92 degrees. All my training is going to be outside today. I've learned that over the years that if you train in the harder conditions, when you go inside in the AC and all that stuff, it's a lot easier, right? Out here, the humidity is really, really bad. So, you know, you can't breathe right. It's harder to breathe. You're sweating. You're burning a lot more calories. It's a little bit harder. You make it more comfortable for yourself. So we're going to be doing a lot of tire flipping, sled pushing, burpees, explosive jumping, all kinds of stuff. The goal for today is to be as explosive as possible, to move as fast as I possibly can, and then to become as most efficient as I possibly can. So you guys know I'm weighing about 245 pounds now. All right, I've been doing a little bit more powerlifting, trying to raise my numbers up in the big three, which would be the squatting, the benching, and the deadlifting. I'm still trying to run those numbers up while maintaining my conditioning, and that's the goal, is to be able to push those high numbers on the strength game, but at the same time still have that cardio, still have that high intensity interval type training. Is the key to be an all-around athlete. So that's what we're going to be doing today, just a lot of crazy shit, and try to kill myself as much as I possibly can, push myself to the limit, and see where I'm at. All right, so before I start my strength conditioning work and I do all my different sets and everything, I always do everything broken down. So I'll do each exercise separately, running probably 1 or 2 sets each exercise separately, as you're gonna see. And then after I do that, then I will do a full circuit workout, complete. Usually they last anywhere between 1 to 2 minutes of full high intensity, and then I'll rest for another 2 minutes or so. So first thing I'm gonna be doing is gonna be the sled push. Start off at 100 pounds and probably work my way up to 200 or 300 pounds. And then I'll work the explosive jumping, and then I'll work the tire flipping, and then I'll work the burpees into everything, bring it all together, and at the end, just the final results. All right, guys, so Diego De Vera is here, owner of Knockout Zone. You guys know him, my partner in crime. Earlier during the introduction, he was doing some private training for somebody there. So wanted to give a quick summary of the actual circuit. So we got 3 jumps, 39-inch jumps, sled, it's about 100, a little bit over 100 pounds, maybe about, what is that, 30 feet? 30 feet long. It's not so much how heavy it is. I'm worried more about just explosive, hitting it as hard as I can for that split 30 feet. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 medium-sized tires over the head flip. And then we have the large tire at the end when you're fatigued. Then we have a 30-pound medicine ball, wall slams. Okay. Then we're wearing a sledgehammer hitting, where it's a 30-pound sledgehammer. We're doing regular hits and then side and lateral hits. So in total, you're talking about maybe like a minute worth of circuit. Resting maybe another 2 minutes, 3 minutes, very intense, and then hit it again. Try to run that for 3 to 4 sets. Everything? Damn. All right, guys, so I'm a couple sets in. This freaking heat is out of control. It's killing me. I was able to do the set so far under a minute each one, which is pretty good. That's great timing. So I'm gonna keep working. Gonna do a couple of other exercises, mainly working on speed, some resistance training, some burpees, and see what else I have left in me, because it's fucking killing today. One of the questions I always get, what kind of shoes do I use? And you can see here, whenever I do this type of training, I usually use Innovate shoes. All right, these are the shoes that I use. Shorts, so you can see I always wear Gasp shorts, Gasp official. I like these shorts, the way that they're built and all that. Another question I always get is why you're not ripped, shredded with all the training that I do. And it's just because the honesty is, bro, that two main reasons. One, I can't be shredded all year round just because I do too much explosive work. So for me, it's not worth risking an injury if I'm dry all the time, because you could take a hammy or an Achilles or a calf real quick. So that's one reason. And two, which is the main reason, I like to fucking eat. And I eat whatever the hell I want. I do this, guys, honestly, you know, I've been doing this for almost 20 years. I love this shit. You know, I'm not an aesthetics kind of guy. I'm not really worried about having shredded abs and all that. That's for other people. Don't get me wrong, I still work a lot of core and I still do abs. You know, I have some abs, they're there. They're just almost 40 years old, and that's not really what I care about. I care about performance and eat as much as I can. So that's my take on it. And everything else, I really don't give three flying fucks about a six-pack or not. So on the next one. All right, guys, so we're starting off our next circuit of exercises. And we're gonna start off with burpee box jumps, 48 inches. The box jump is actually gonna be a touch and go. It's not gonna be actually on the box. It's to get my toes over this line right here. All right, then from there, we're gonna do a 40-yard sled push, all right? While Milo Rivera is holding me with the resistance bands, pulling me back about 40 yards. Then from there, it's gonna be knee. And then a fireman's carry all the way back those 40 yards. So all together, usually I would say under a minute or so. So and do it for a couple steps. All right, guys, so you saw two circuit drills that I did today. Wanted to do another one drill, but I got some business appointment that I have to go to now, and I have to cut it short for today, but I'll definitely give you guys another video soon. It was a high intensity day, as you saw, just a lot of speed work, resistance training, strength conditioning stuff, box jump, burpees, things like that. I've been out here for, you know, pretty close to probably an hour, so it was like an hour training today of just high intensity, hitting it really hard. Been out in total in the sun for probably 2 hours, because obviously, you know, it takes time to set it up, it takes time to put everything away. So hope you guys liked it. Subscribe, comment if you did. Next video is probably going to be like a bodybuilding video in the gym, and then be probably going back to the range after that. So hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you on the next one.